This is a miraculous liquid. Pour it into a pre-dug hole and it will immediately start expanding. After 15 minutes, it will firmly secure the wooden stake in the ground. Even if hammered vigorously, it won't budge. This is an expanding liquid that can substitute for concrete, primarily used for securing wooden stakes. The usage method is simple. One package contains 2 types of liquids. Squeeze the liquids back and forth to ensure thorough mixing. Then, pour all the liquid into the hole. Upon contact with air, it gradually expands into solid foam. In just 15 minutes, it fills the hole, firmly securing the wooden stake in place. Despite its light weight, it can withstand the pressure of vehicles. Once fixed in the soil, even a tractor can't pull it out. It's worth mentioning that a small packet of liquid can fill a hole 60 centimeters deep, equivalent to replacing 22 kilos of cement. Additionally, this solid foam is hydrophobic, preventing underground moisture from rotting the wood. After reading this, do you think